How to cancel DaVinci AI Image Generator subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you will find the Apple ID. Go ahead and click on it. With that, different options will appear. Navigate to the option of subscriptions. Now over here, you will find the section of active and inactive subscription. Under active subscription, you will find the option of DaVinci AI Image. You have to go ahead and click on that. After you open it, you will find the option of cancel subscription. Click on that option. With that, you will get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm. With that, you have just cancelled the subscription for DaVinci AI Image Generator. Now you won't be charged anymore and you are able to use the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel DaVinci AI Image Generator subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.